What happens if we were wounded and we were scarred and something was etched into our psyches, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually? Not due to our own choice. Someone hurt us and the wound is deep. Or you may have hurt yourself. You may have tattooed yourself. Again, physically or figuratively. But you didn't know better. You didn't know that your life is sacred. You didn't know your soul and body are sacred. Because it was not your choice, because it was imposed upon you, you actually earn a ticket to another dimension, to another place. And the God that created you and said, here was a beautiful child, and someone defiled this child, someone violated this person, in whatever form again. I myself, God says, will intervene and protect the child. And even if the child has wounds and scars and tattoos, I can transcend it all. Initially, I gave that beauty to the child, but the beauty was taken away not by the child's choice. So that doesn't cause, why should the child suffer because of that? So I will give it new beauty. I will see the beauty even in its wound. And I will help you heal as much as you can, and the fullest sense of the words. So when we are born, we're like an intact container with a light within, the soul within. When we experience some form of scar or wound or violation or abuse, and our bodies are hurt, and our psyches are in turn hurt, and our souls are somewhat impacted, what happens is something's a crack, like a wound, a scar. So in a way, the container has been somewhat compromised. But because it wasn't your fault, God says, I will give the power to shine a light even through this broken containers and give you the power to rebuild them, to reconnect the pieces. And the light will emerge, and this time even greater because it's coming through pain and sadness and loss. The light that comes from the shattered containers is greater than the light that was there in the first place. Because besides the fact that the effort and the appreciation we have once it was scattered and once it was shattered and scattered and you rebuild it together, there's the great joy that comes with that. But there's actually a deeper light that comes out of darkness.